So today I'll be guiding you through on how to change your WhatsApp chat background. So and if today is your first time visiting my channel, bizyjoe.com, please do well to subscribe to my channel, share our video to your friends and family. So let's go to WhatsApp. So this is my WhatsApp. By default, your normal WhatsApp background is this. This is how it appears. This is the default WhatsApp background. So if you want to change this background and put maybe the picture of your loved one or anything else, so what you need to do is just to go to your WhatsApp setting. Just click on this three dots, then go to your settings. So once you go to your settings, you go to chat. You see chat. So once you go to chat, you see wallpaper. Then wallpaper, this is how it appears. So you click on change wallpaper. So you can select any wallpaper of your choice that you want. You can select from your photo. Maybe let me select from my photo. Let me go and look for a beautiful photo of mine that I can use. So let me go and choose this wallpaper. Let me choose this. I think this is okay as my wallpaper. So I can just set this as my wallpaper. So that's how you can be able, as you can see, this is how it appears. So another thing that I can do is to dimming. You can dim it so that it will be dark, that your chat will be more visible. So that's once you are done, is okay with you, you can go back and see change that you have effected so far. So let me go back to the chat and see. Wow, as you can see, I'm able to change this background, the background of my chat. So you can change yours. So and if you find this particular video useful, please do it to share it with your friends, like and subscribe to our channel. So thanks for watching this video.